Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. We had completed all the units of this book. Today we will do worksheet. So please take out your book and open page number 74. Worksheet 3. Make adverbs from the words in the box. Use them to fill in the blanks. We have to make adverbs of these words, then we have to put in the blanks. My parents like to walk briskly in the park. At lunchtime, everyone was talking loudly. If you have time, check your answers carefully after you finish the test. Vicky and Anu happily shared their toys with each other. We all sat down quickly when the teacher entered the classroom. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Ours is the brick house dash the clinic behind. So behind is the suitable preposition. Our bus will arrive in 10 minutes. Let's meet at 4 o'clock. Ria stood near the chair. I am not very interested in science fictions. The girl sitting between the elderly couple is my cousin. Exercise C. Circle the correct conjunctions in the brackets. Susan bent to lie down because although she had a headache. The correct conjunction is because. I finished my homework before going out to play. We went to the stadium, but the show was sold out. The baby laughed and gurgled when he saw me. Although the sun was shining, it was still cold enough to wear a sweater. Study the picture and answer the questions. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. Joseph is raising his hands eagerly. Meena is looking out of the window dreamily. Hari is listening carefully to the teacher. Amina is writing dedicatedly. Now, revision 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct adverbs from the box. Farah writes fast, yet her handwriting is so neat. We opened the door and peeped inside. Puneet smiled proudly as he received his trophy. The shepherd looked everywhere for his lost sheep. The driver stopped the car suddenly. Raghav must leave soon or he will miss the bus. Fill in the blanks with adverbs and adjectives from the brackets. Circle the adverbs. Don't be dash speaking dash to anyone is unkind, rude and rudely. So rude is adjective and rudely is adverb. We will circle the adverb. Manish drives carefully. He is a careful driver. Carefully we will circle it because it is adverb and careful is adjective. The sun is shining brightly. It is a warm, bright day. Brightly is adverb. So we will circle it. And bright is adjective. Gauri and Nadar jumped around the room laughing happily. They were so happy. Rewrite this adjective as adverbs. Hasty is adjective. We will put ILY and it will become hastily, that is adverb. Brave is adjective. We will add ly and it will become bravely, that is adverb. Cruel is adjective. We will add ly and the spelling will become CRUELLY, that is cruelly. Smart, smartly. Merry, merrily. Lazy, lazily. Brief, briefly. Serious, seriously. Exercise D. Write adverbs from the box that can replace the underlined words. We have to replace these underlined words by selecting the correct adverbs from the box. Benita walked into the room without making any noise. Without making any noise will be replaced by silently, that is the adverb. The students welcome the guest with great respect. The word, underlined word with great respect will be replaced by respectfully. Please post this letter without wasting any time. Without wasting any time will be replaced by immediately. The storm had blown the leaves all over the place. All over the place will be replaced by everywhere. Take the correct prepositions in the brackets. Walk carefully within the corridor. The floor is wet. So the correct preposition is in. So we will tick it. Harsha is sitting beside the window. Beside is the correct answer. Beautiful lilies grow along the narrow road. So along is the correct preposition. So we will take it. The cub hid behind the tree. Sohail waited patiently for his friend. Raju sat between Meena and Gina. The foolish lion peeped into the bell. Hang this painting on the wall. Exercise F. Underline the preposition in this sentence. Walk into my parlor, said the spider to the fly. So into is the preposition, so we will underline it. The cherry tree was laden with flowers. With is the preposition, so we will underline it. The children will discuss the story among themselves. Among is the preposition. The little red kite rose into the air. Into is the preposition. We are going to Junagadh tomorrow. To is the preposition. Exercise G. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions from the box. Kati was tired, so she went to bed early. Harsha chopped bananas and apples for the fruit cream. You cannot go to school if you are not well. Should we stay in a tent or a cottage? Atul cleaned the table, but it still looks dirty. We should never use a mobile phone while driving. Exercise H. Join each pair of sentences using conjunctions from the box. Rewrite them as a single sentence. First, the children were eager to swim. The water was very cold. Here there are two sentences. The children were eager to swim. The water was very cold. So we have to select the suitable conjunctions from this box and we will join the sentence. So the correct conjunction is but, and we will join the both sentence. The children were eager to swim, but the water was very cold. We did not walk down. It was too hot. We did not walk down because it was too hot. We will join this sentence by using because. Please lie down, rest for a while. Please lie down and rest for a while. You can use crayons. You can use color pencil. You can use crayons or color pencil. We will join the sentence by using or. Grandma was walking down the hill. Two squirrels ran past her. Grandma was walking down the hill when two squirrels ran past her. We will not reach on time. We do not walk fast. We will not reach on time if we do not walk fast. Vocabulary. Circle the correct spelled words. Across, across. ACCROSS is wrong. ACROSS is correct. So we will circle it. ADDRESS is correct. We will circle it. Business. BUSINESS is correct. Peace. PIEC is correct. 40. The correct spelling is FORTY. So we will circle it. Tomorrow. The correct spelling is TOMORROW. We will circle it. Wednesday. WEDNESDAY. Will circle it. Receive. RECEIV. Will circle it. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from each pair. Lose, lose. Please don't lose your bottle again. This skirt is too loose for me. Here and here. I left the paper here, but now I can't find it. Did you hear the news about Dia? Breathe and breathe. Take a deep breath and then exhale slowly. Imagine if humans could breathe underwater. Stationary and stationary. Only the spelling difference, that is A and E, is there. Mummy said she would take me to the stationery. The spelling is STATIONERY, shop. Don't get up from your seat until the bus is stationary. Exercise C. Add in I am, this, or and before these words to make opposites. Polite. We will add I am. That is impolite. Direct. We will add in. It is indirect. Available. We will add an before it and the word will become unavailable. Continue, discontinue. Patient, impatient. Advantage, disadvantage. Formal, informal. Necessary, unnecessary. Dear students, today we have done revision and we have completed worksheet. We have also completed the vocabulary. In the next class, I will explain you about the comprehension, that is unseen passage. Till then, please revise this. Thank you and have a nice day.